Today, what we're going to do is review the use of your respiratory inhalers. I know you've been on these a while, but it's a good idea to check in to make sure that you're getting the most of the medication into your lungs as possible. What we'll do is use a technique that we call teach to goal, which means we'll go through a few rounds of education and assessment. I have this checklist here to make sure we're hitting all those steps. And again, the goal is to make sure you're getting the most out of your medications, all right? So if we could start, if you could just show me how you use your albuterol rescue inhaler.
Okay.
Thank you for showing me how you use your albuterol rescue inhaler. I think there are a few tips and tricks we can focus on to try to help you get the most out of it. So what I'm going to do is start at the beginning. We'll watch through each of the steps. I'll show you and both tell you how to work through them, okay? First, you want to make sure that you're getting the inhaler ready and the spacer ready. If you notice that I gave you a spacer, so we're going to show you how to use that. So first, you take the caps off of both the inhaler and the spacer, and then you shake your inhaler up and down a few times before placing it into the spacer. So now the next part is getting you ready for the medications. And in order to do this, we need to make sure your lungs are empty. So you take a good breath in, deep breath out, away from your albuterol inhaler and spacer. Now we're at the point where we're ready to take the medication. So remember, you're holding your breath at this point. What you're going to do is take the spacer, put the mouthpiece in your mouth, make sure your lips are fully covering it. And then you're going to do one puff of your inhaler with a good, slow, deep breath in, and make sure you then hold your breath for about 5 seconds. So I can show you that part. So now we're almost done. We've hit all the steps. If you do need a second dose, what you'll do is wait about 30 seconds to 1 minute before taking that, and then you can go through those same steps we just walked through again. So now that I've walked through how to use your albuterol MDI inhaler and shown you some of those tips and tricks to get the most out of it, can you go ahead and show me again how you would use it?
And then you said I wait 30 seconds or a minute.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Now we are almost done. You've taken your first dose. If you want to take a second dose of your rescue inhaler, what you'll do is wait 30 seconds to 1 minute. After you've waited that little bit of time, you'll go ahead and repeat the steps we just walked through.
Okay.
All right, great job.